Welcome to Dream Home Inspiration. Today we're exploring elegant home design ideas that are trending for 2025 and 2026. These styles are modern, calming, and timeless, perfect for transforming any home into a bright and luxurious space. Let's get started. 2025's most elegant home trend starts with soft, calming colors. Use shades like sage green, champagne beige, and muted blush to make your living room feel modern, peaceful, and luxurious. Choose pillows in elegant tones like sage and champagne. These soft colors add quiet luxury without overwhelming the room. These trending 2025 colors work beautifully together. Sage, champagne, and blush blend perfectly with gold accents to create a calm, elegant space. Choose soft, textured fabrics that flow naturally. These materials add comfort, luxury, and calmness without overpowering the room. Keep the window area simple and bright. A clean window space makes your home feel open, peaceful, and beautifully designed. In today's modern luxury design, one of the best upgrades you can make is choosing the right rug. A large mushroom gray rug instantly adds warmth, comfort, and quiet elegance to any living room. Soft, textured rugs create a timeless, high-end feel. Neutral shades like mushroom gray or soft white stone help your space look calm, modern, and beautifully elegant. To achieve that luxury designer look, place your rug under the front legs of your sofa. This simple layout technique makes the whole room feel more polished and balanced. In today's modern luxury design, less decor creates more elegance. Use a few well-chosen pieces in driftwood brown and warm sand to keep your space calm, clean, and beautifully timeless. Choose decor with natural textures. Driftwood tones and soft stone colors bring warmth without cluttering the room, giving your space that modern luxury feeling. Keep surfaces simple. A clean tabletop with one or two elegant pieces can make your home feel more spacious, relaxing, and truly luxurious. A modern luxury bedroom starts with calming colors. Mist, blue, and almond cream create a peaceful, relaxing space that feels elegant and timeless. Layer your bedding with soft, neutral tones. These gentle color transitions add depth and create a hotel-like luxury feel without needing expensive materials. Add warm lighting beside the bed. A simple gold lamp or soft glow can turn your bedroom into a calm and luxurious retreat. In modern luxury kitchens, soft terracotta and warm sand accents bring a warm, natural glow. These colors add personality while keeping your space elegant and timeless. Use modern accents like terracotta vases or warm sandboards. These small touches create a high-end look without overwhelming the kitchen. Keep your kitchen decor minimal. A few elegant pieces in modern earth tones make the space feel fresh, calming, and beautifully designed. Thank you for watching Dream Home Inspiration. I hope these modern and luxurious design ideas help you create a home that feels calm, beautiful, and timeless. Don't forget to subscribe for more elegant style tips and inspiration. See you in the next video.